What's up everyone, Landon here with LMR.com. In this video, I'll be taking a quick look at this ultra clear fog light kit and how you install them into your 1994 to 1998 Mustang GT. This ultra clear fog light kit is going to be for the 94 to 98 Mustang GT enthusiast out there wanting to upgrade their factory fog lights to something more modern and to possibly match a set of Cobra style headlights. These fog lights are an ultra clear design which feature a clear lens and a chrome housing, unlike the fluted factory fog lights. Included with each fog light is a backing plate which will help fill any space between the edge of the light and the bumper. Currently, these fog lights do include factory style halogen bulbs, but me personally, I would recommend upgrading them to a set of our ultra white fog light bulbs to further add to the aesthetics of your SN95 Mustang. The ultra white bulbs will emit a light that is close to pure white instead of the yellow hue that factory halogen bulbs have. Of course, when doing this, it is in your best interest to pick up the matching headlight bulbs as well.
To install these fog lights into your car, begin by supporting the front of the car with jack stands. Depending on the condition of your car, you may need to spray a penetrating oil on the retaining nut. Disconnect the electrical connection. Loosen and remove the 15mm retaining nut. Pass the stud out of the bracket. Bring the fog light down and rotate outwards to remove it from the car. Position the fog light on a workbench. Loosen and remove the retaining nut with a 1/2-inch combination wrench on the bolt head and a 1/2-inch deep socket on the nut. If for some reason the bolt is difficult to remove, lightly tap it out of the fog light and adjustment bracket. Keep the bracket in one hand and position it onto the new light. Of course, make sure you have the correct side. Slide the bolt back into place, slide on the washer, and loosely tighten the nut. As an optional step, apply a little bit of anti-seize to the stud on the adjustment bracket. Fold the first tab on the backing plate forward and the second tab backwards. Install the new fog light and pass the stud through the opening in the bracket. Loosely tighten the nut. Align the headlight within the opening and then fully tighten the 15mm nut. Use the same 1/2-inch combination to tighten the vertical adjustment bolt. Pass the combination wrench through the opening in the bumper to fully tighten the hardware. Reconnect the electrical connection. Go ahead and repeat these steps for the other side. At this time, you can check for operation and then make sure each light beam is even. Make additional adjustments as needed. After that, you're all finished.
Overall here guys, these ultra clear fog lights are a must-have upgrade for 94 to 98 Mustang GT owners looking for a touch of modern styling and of course replace damaged or missing factory fog lights. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT lighting.